to stop what you're doing and listen.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna shoot the day one of my vlog for Goa, and actually today is not the day one. Today is the day before we leave for Goa, and yeah, I am excited and I'm like packing, but I realized that one of my shorts, like I have two pair of shorts that I'm like carrying, I was carrying. So now I realize that the one that I was supposed to like wear it is a kind of like, it's kind of tight to me. I just tried it on and feel like my butt cheeks were like visible, which I did not like it, and my cellulite were like peeking out through. So I'm gonna go to the mall real quick, and today's Karwa Chauth as well, so I'm like fasting. So these are the shorts that I was actually supposed to carry, but these are like a little too short for me, but I'm still carrying this, and I'm gonna go to the mall and see what I find at the mall. And yeah, I'm gonna come back and finish off my packing, but this is like, so far I have packed and looks pretty neat, right? Hey guys, I'm here at the mall. I just did last minute shopping, got something from Inglot and Only. I am excited to go tomorrow, and I'm gonna finish up my packing, and then yeah, I'm gonna fly off tomorrow. I'm so excited. Hey guys, so today is our traveling day and we are all set to go. Our cab is about to come, and we have packed all our bags, and let's go. So we are all set. Saurav is coming. That's Saurav. Hi. And I'm also set, and our cab is here. So I'm just gonna put everything, like all the luggages, and we are like ready to go. Hey guys, so we had our breakfast and now we are moving towards our boarding gate, and we have a 11 a.m. flight, and yeah, let's just board the plane. Okay, we have our face mask, like shield and stuff on, and we are like boarding now. And this is like, for the first time I'm wearing something. It's so hard, like I even don't know if you guys can like hear me. So what do you think? It's difficult, right?
No.
It's not difficult for you?
No.
Guys, just landed in Goa and got our cab, and we are going to our hotel, and it's gonna take some time, and we're gonna enjoy the ride. So excited to be here. Hey!
Hello.
So this is like your first time in Goa.
Yes.
How are you feeling?
Very hot.
Very hot. And what are you expecting out of this trip?
Oh my god.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
I have no idea.
I hope. Okay, we're gonna have fun. Don't worry about that.
Yes.
Yeah. Hey guys, we just reached our hotel and we are like really hungry. So we ordered some pakoras and I made some tea, and we're gonna have that, and then we are gonna move to Baga today. We're gonna spend some time there. So yeah, we're just eating, and then we will get ready and we'll go. Just came here at Vito's, and yeah, we are gonna spend the evening here, and this is so pretty. And yeah, it's a beautiful sunset happening and a beautiful evening, so we're gonna enjoy here. And yeah, I hope that you guys will love the view, which I'm gonna show you in a while. So we are at Vito's and we ordered some calamari and some beer, and we are having like so much fun. It's like candlelight dinner and the scene is lit. It is so pretty out here. We are sitting on the beach. Look at all the candle lights. Yeah, we just see if we want to like party after this or not. We'll just go back in our room and like relax. But right now I'm like loving the whole vibe here. Guys, we are just back from Baga beach, right? Yeah, we were at Britos, so we are now like back. But we just took like a pit stop. What are you doing? We just took a pit stop at Mac Cafe and ordered cappuccino. If you guys are in Goa or like planning, you should definitely come here and order some coffee, because generally in Delhi you don't find something like this at McDonald's. And to be honest, this is like one of the best thing that we ordered, and we got like the cappuccino 1+1, and that was awesome, right?
Yeah.
So
Combo
yeah,
offer.
it was a combo offer and stop. And we really like the flavor and the coffee, and this place is really lit. So if you guys are here, you should definitely check this place out. And by the way, like today, as we are like traveling and all of this, the traveling, we're really tired, and to be honest, no mood for like partying at all. So today I think we're gonna call it a day, and yeah, tomorrow we have huge things planned, so I'm gonna call it a night, and we're just gonna do like a mini scooty tour and then go back to the hotel and sleep. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow or maybe the next vlog. Till then, bye.